What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we got some stuff to talk about, but more importantly, somebody bought a car.
Oh, those are hole fillers? Ah. We have a hole in the wheel rack. See, look, now there's a hole. Watch. Now. No more hole. Now it looks good. So what we're doing today is, Kevin's here too shooting. I don't know why he's shooting me right now, that's weird, but if you guys didn't know this is Junior, say your real name.
My name is Huey, but I'm Huey Jr. My dad's name is Huey, but he spells it differently, so it's
Huey.
Yeah, it don't make sense
Kidding.
at all.
This is Ed. You guys have met him. He has no hair in him. We haven't been in vlogs in forever anymore, so.
Yeah, but the whole reason we're here today is
We're getting ready to go shoot a video.
We are.
One of our cinematic car videos. But Junior bought this car. So we purposefully didn't tease this car at all. Didn't put it on social, didn't put it on Instagram, didn't put it on stories, literally nothing, because we were we wanted to just actually let a cool car get to the website.
it was going to be awesome. It was going to be amazing.
It was going to be amazing, and then he bought it. What's crazy is we were just talking, you haven't driven it, so.
I have not driven it.
He bought a car and he hasn't driven it. It's fully, custom paint. I mean, if you get really close, you can see some tiny little imperfections in the paint, but it's a killer color. It's really well done. I'm assuming it's custom front, or front. We can't figure out what kit it is. It looks like K-brake, but the grill is different on the K-brake. The K-brake comes all the way to the end here. On the grill.
This black piece is different. So I don't know, this might all be custom.
Yeah, I mean, I'm
That's a
thinking
lot of piece.
it's custom because it doesn't, there's no branding on it either, on the backside. So super cool car. We put these CR5 or T5 R2Ps on them. Really aggressive. They look great. The color is perfect. It's all custom paint, so the roof is black. And then here's what's crazy. Oh, it's got the winker mirrors too, which is cool. But factory black leather interior, which is not a thing in Japan, and let alone in Cima. So good job, Cody.
Sorry.
You giant.
Sorry.
But has the Grand Touring rear wing as well, LED tail lights, quad exhaust tips. It's the freaking car. This is the one. And we're biased, but super pumped that Junior bought it so that we get to see it every day. So.
I'm so excited. I got to drive this car home last weekend for the weekend. I didn't rub, scrape, touch anything. And it rides so good, and it just feels like it's supposed to be. I'm in love with it. I'm so glad that you're buying it.
I was jealous when you took it home that weekend.
You should have been.
I wanted to take it home that weekend.
You know what we never did? He bought a shirt and never got he bought a car and never got a shirt. Let's give him a shirt. Size?
Medium.
All right, look, hey, if you guys, here's a shameless plug. If you guys want to buy a t-shirt, you can go to drivermotorsportsmerch.com. I work here.
Or if you buy a car, you get a free shirt.
Or a hat, or a hoodie. Basically, if you buy a car from us,
You get some swag.
you get some swag.
Yeah, so we're gonna go shoot a video, and Tevin's here.
Hi, Tevin.
Hi, Tevin.
I'm not gonna go shoot a video because I'm gonna go back in my office. And
I'm gonna go
stuff.
drive a camera vehicle, and he's gonna drive his new car for the first time. This is what we were. I was originally, I was grab the Cody, grab the camera, because he bought this car. He hasn't driven it. He's about to drive it for the first time.
Oh, you gotta hop in the seat with him then. If this is the first time he's driven it, you gotta get his reaction.
I'd never scrape. I'm gonna make it happen.
No, no.
Tevin's setting up right now.
Yes, sir.
Getting ready to do his thing.
Yep. As soon as I set this up, we can rock and roll. Lights looking good today. It's like a haze going on.
Yeah.
Where I live at, it was like really smoked out. So I don't know if there's like a fire somewhere.
In Amherst.
This morning.
Oh, that's what
Wildfire.
it is. Okay.
Oh, it was a wildfire?
In Amherst.
That's what it is. So it's a little hazy out here. So the breathing quality might not be that good, but for me, it's great.
Dude, if we shooting a video, I mean, it's time to mismatch socks and all. Put these bad boys in 4-wheel drive, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Big booty parking only. Live from the video shoot Cadillac. I mean, look at this setup, man. This ain't no joke. That's the real deal. I'm scared.
Like that, without using your signals unless you feel like you need to.
Okay, so I stay in left, you stay in right.
Pretty much. Unless we go right, then you go left type of thing.
Got it, so drive behind you.
Yep.
Yep, we've arrived at our destination.
We just drive along till we find it. It's a work of beauty, and look how beautiful it is.
And you people say we're scripted.
We're just doing it. We're winging it.
Almost heaven. Central Virginia. There's a freeway. You up my shot. All right, man, what you think?
I love it.
You love it?
I'm glad it's mine.
Yeah, you were definitely driving it like it was yours.
Well, I was doing that thing where I was like, all right, cool. I'm definitely driving on the left side of this lane. I was like, let me get over a little bit.
No, you didn't do bad.
Yeah, I don't know what it was in my head, but it just like made sense to just drive like in the middle.
Steering wheel's on the wrong side.
One more time.
All right, so this line that Kevin's got his camera on, like pull up until you can look straight down that. We're probably all in the reflections coming off the
Yeah, I'm about to back up so I don't get in the reflection of his shiny red car. So now we just pop a squat and we let Tevin do his thing, all while enjoying the view. And not the scenery, we're talking about Ed.
The next thing I do is
Enjoy the view. So next step is we're going on top of Liberty Mountain, shoot some more beauties, finish it up, wrap it up.
There.
Where's it?
Yeah, we're
where's the mountain? We're gonna shoot some beauties. Kevin's gonna wrap up. We're gonna get back to work. Hopefully before the sun goes down.
maybe.
Director, videographer, he does it all. Fiberglass.
Glad he had that name.
Yeah, I'm
He
director.
does it all.
You're director?
Yeah, he's director Ed. He's always
Why do you
director
think
Ed.
I'm here? I'm a driver, I guess.
Director Ed. Driver, director Ed. Works drive motorsports. He has cool cars. He drifts, all that cool stuff.
All the cool stuff.
Man, he's just MVP. I'm gonna be like you when I grow up.
Thanks, buddy.
All right, so we're wrapping up stuff here at the video shoot, shooting content for our only YouTube.
YouTube, Cody.
YouTube, yeah.
He said link in the bio.
Yeah, link in the bio. Thank Tevin for coming out here and shooting, doing his thing.
Thank
Yeah.
Junior for buying this awesome car
Yeah,
and for driving it.
and thanks Ed for just being here.
That's all I am.
And that's our little town. Sometimes you just gotta appreciate a quality bush.
What was that, Tevin?
Yeah, Ed.
Only him, referring to you.
Oh man.
Alright, so start right here and just walk straight towards the car. Take your time. Don't walk too fast. Don't walk. It's kind of like just a chill pace. I'm focused on
Ooh.
your shirt and your back.
You have a nice strut.
It's gonna be slow mo, so it'll look cool.
Okay.
Hollywood now.
It's changed.
He has
Good,
changed.
perfect pace. Hold that.
Look at that strut
I
he's
was
got.
about to say.
Oh, wrong car.
Take two.
A little bit slower actually too. Okay. And go.
See, if I were the director, I'd be saying action, and I'm not.
This is what we need you
I'm
here.
assistant director.
Assistant to the director.
Assistant to the regional director.
Yeah.
All right, let's do that again. So
Uh-oh, take 3.
Yeah, take 3. So when you're walking, I forgot. Let the key kind of hang, maybe.
Okay, yeah, it was right
Yeah, and I wasn't thinking about that. Yeah, so let it hang. So we'll redo this shot.
And you can
we'll
probably
redo
cut to a couple of different shots with it there, because you already got 2 of them walking up.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, palm the red tag and the other keys. Just let the dangle dongle. You like that technicality?
Let the dangle dog.
Let the dangle dongle. Yeah, the dangle. Let that dongle. And palm the keys. Yeah, there you go.
I think he's doing it. Oh my God.
Wow, you don't look happy at all.
We don't care about your face, Junior, just your keys.
You emotional? We should definitely do the bridal reveal where we turn him around so you can see the car for the first time.
Oh.
This has been the worst thing since I've cut my hair. I have a place for my sunglasses now. Right there. Or you know, right there. These are taking some abuse. Oh, that's what I talked to.
Security's coming. Update, we did not get a talking to because we're good boys.
In actuality, we think they might be playing porta-johns over there.
All right, swing back around. Is my truck here? Because I want to slam right into it.
Dude, if you would have slammed into that truck, we would have got so many views.
All right, that's our wrap.
That's a wrap.
That's a wrap.
You can do the director thing now.
Good job, everybody. Good day. Long, hard day of work. See y'all bright and early tomorrow at 9 a.m.
I was going with the simple cut.
Cut.
All right, Junior, you did great.
Thank you.
I wish we had more like you.
What do you mean by that?
I gotta insert subtitles because I couldn't hear a word he said.
That's what he said. What do you mean by that?
You know, a little more Asian boys working at the shop.
That's no. He means that you know you're people that work.
Cut. I mean, the only I'm here for comedic relief at this point, and the whole time we're filming this cool car, all I care about is the lift on this van. Like, sheesh. There we go. Video's over, and that's a wrap. Back into it.
How many times are we gonna end this video?
I know.
16?
Should we-
I still have to do an
Back to the
outro.
shop and do another outro.
We do need an outro. Hey, give us an outro.
All right. Thanks for being here today. We had a great time. Thank you to Tevin. Thank you to Huey. Thank you to Junior. Thank you to Cody. Thank you to Ed. Thank you to Driver Motorsports for bringing in this awesome car. Thank you to Liberty University for letting us use your parking lot. And yeah, have a great night.